Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, May 17th, 2023. Just a reminder, we have our live chat tonight at 8 p.m., so I'm looking forward to seeing all of you there. Right now, a cold front is clearing the coast, and that's allowing for a nice northwesterly wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour, with some gusts at times up to 25 miles per hour in a few locations. It is transporting a cool, crisp, polar air mass into the region, and you can see the impacts here in our temperatures, with temperatures in the mid to upper 40s over the far northern interior, lower to mid 50s just north and west of the major cities, and as you head along the coast, upper 50s to lower 60s as that colder air builds in. Down towards Wildwood, we're in the mid 60s still, and quite frankly, that might be the warmest it gets for today around the coastal regions as cooler air builds in and our temperatures begin to fall. So it's a very strong cold front for this time of year. When we take a look at the latest surface map and radar, you can see all the precipitation that was pretty much focused over the Delmarva Peninsula is now being pushed off the coast. We had a threat for an isolated shower or two, but I really haven't seen any reports of any type of rainfall. It's overall been pretty quiet. This cold front will continue to drop south, supporting clearing skies. And you can see on the visible satellite picture a nice setup here of clearing skies as the colder air builds in. You can see the cloud cover here. Very interesting. The colder air coming off of the Great Lakes and the St. Lawrence River Valley, St. Lawrence River, and taking some of that moisture and producing cloud cover, some cumulus dropping south. And then here you have our cold front with clearing skies. So it's going to be a beautiful afternoon once everything clears out. And you can see on the infrared satellite picture, not much going on all the way back into the northern plains, setting up beautiful weather for the rest of this week. A bit cool, but overall not too bad. Plenty of sunshine out there. And then we're going to watch out for a area low pressure and a strong cold front for this weekend. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Absolutely beautiful out there. High pressure and control. Look for clearing skies with temperatures rising into the mid to upper 50s over the northern interior, lower to mid 60s along the immediate coast, mid to upper 60s in the Delaware River Valley. For tonight into tomorrow morning, high pressure will be in control with light and variable winds. Low temperatures are going to plummet. Now, if you have any plants outside, especially in the northern interior, you're going to want to protect them with lows in the lower to mid 30s for the highest elevations, mid to upper 30s over the northern interior, and lower to mid 40s along the coast. Tomorrow afternoon, high pressure will be in control still with tranquil weather conditions. Look for high temperatures, again, a bit below normal, upper 50s to lower 60s on the immediate coast, mid to upper 60s in the Delaware River Valley, lower to mid 60s over the northern interior. For Friday, high pressure will push off the coast with more of a southeasterly wind, so we'll see a slight increase in cloud cover because the winds are coming right off the Atlantic Ocean, but for the most part, a tranquil day. Look for low temperatures to range from the lower to mid 40s over the northern interior, mid to upper 40s in your suburbs, and upper 40s to lower 50s in your urban areas. By the afternoon, temperatures will rebound into the lower to mid 60s on Long Island, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast and over the interior, and lower to mid 70s in the Delaware River Valley. On Saturday, this is where things get interesting. Friday night, we'll have this wave of low pressure developing around the Carolinas. Now, it could take on what we call some warm core tropical characteristics, but I don't think it becomes a full-blown actual tropical system. But there are some indications of some structural development, so we'll watch that. But overall, it's a weak low-pressure system. The reason why it's important as far as the structure is because of the way that the precipitation field sets up with this low-pressure system. So on Saturday morning, this low-pressure system, a very weak one, I want to stress that, okay, is going to be marching up through the Delmarva Peninsula coastal waters and towards the New Jersey coastal waters. And that's going to lead to development of showers. But location matters. You see, we have this cold front coming in from the west. The two aren't going to phase just yet. They're going to remain separated. So on Saturday afternoon, you'll have periods of rain on Long Island and along the immediate Jersey Shore heading up into New England. More scattered showers as you head a little bit further west towards the Delaware River Valley and towards the Hudson River Valley. But once you get to the west of basically the Delaware River, just a few isolated showers on Saturday. So the further west you go into eastern Pennsylvania, the drier you'll be. The closer you are to the coast, the more likely you'll see rainfall on Saturday, especially in the afternoon and evening hours. Look for low temperatures to range from the lower to mid 50s over the interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 60s over eastern Pennsylvania. Lower to mid 60s along the immediate coast. And if we get just enough sunshine in the Delaware River Valley with some warmer air surging in, temperatures will range from the upper 60s to mid 70s. The reason why there is such a range in temperatures potential for Saturday, especially in the Delaware River Valley, is a question of just how far west does this rainfall get? Are we dealing with just a few scattered showers or more steadier rainfall? That's still up for debate, but we'll be keeping an eye on that while this cold front is approaching. Now on Saturday night into Sunday morning, the cold front will be moving through with widely scattered showers for everybody, clearing everything out. And by the time you get to Sunday morning, skies will clear from west to east. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior and lower to mid 50s along the coast. By the time we get to Sunday afternoon, sky is clear, the sun is out. It's going to be absolutely beautiful in the afternoon with high temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 70s over the northern interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast, and mid to upper 70s in the Delaware River Valley. On Monday, high pressure builds in, and really that's going to remain the theme all the way through the early part of next week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, high pressure and control with tranquil weather conditions. Low temperatures on Monday will range from the upper 40s to lower 50s. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 70s along the immediate coast, upper 70s to lower 80s away from the coast. On Tuesday, a little bit cooler. Low temperatures will range from the lower to mid 40s over the northern interior, upper 40s to mid 50s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 60s on Long Island, upper 60s to lower 70s along the rest of the coastline, lower to mid 70s over the interior, and mid to upper 70s in the Delaware River Valley. And on Wednesday, same setup. Notice that the high pressure system is located around the Gulf of Maine, so that leads to more of an easterly wind for us. So that's going to lead to low temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s throughout the region. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 60s on Long Island, upper 60s to lower 70s along the rest of the coast, and mid to upper 70s away from the coast. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.